As you can see right here, you have the Arid Bilge System Series 2x3. This is on a Bertram 61. You have 3 intake ports right over here. You want to make sure that your tubes are inserted all the way in. You have your drainage, and then it goes overboard from there. These intakes, they will spider throughout the whole vessel, and you'll reach from your point A of where the lowest point of said bilge location is to point B, the Arid Bilge System unit. Goes down through a crossover pipe and up through a riser pipe, and then it goes draining overboard from there. That's what the Arid Bilge System does, because when you have a wet environment down in your bilge, then the humidity will start to go and pick up, and we'll just start to age it with sweating it, causing rust, corrosion, odor. All this stuff gets sucked out up over the source and then thrown aboard directly from there. The pickups are a little bit clogged, so we're just going to go and clean that up really quick. It's no big deal. This is normal for factory dust on a brand new boat. Go ahead and we're going to go and clean up these pickups. That's why there's a little bit of fluid right over here, but it's also a slightly uneven bilge right over here. So as you can see right here, you see the pickups. They're completely clogged, and the unit went to alarm. So just a quick fix. Go ahead and just wash them off and it's all done. Let's go to bilge pumps really quickly. You see Arid Bilge System right here. That's how you restart it from over here.